Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to download photos from Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to download photos from Terabox app, first open up your Terabox app on your phone. And after opening a Terabox app, guys, I have already opened it over here on my phone. You can see on this interface there is the photos option available for us over here. Just below the search bar, tap on the photos button over here, and all of the photos which you had uploaded on your Terabox app previously will be over here. Now in order to download photos from Terabox, either you can tap to open that photo and tap on the download button at the bottom left corner of the screen. You can see, guys, just beside the share there is the download button, or you can just tap and hold on it over here and select many photos which you want to download. So after selecting the photos which you want to download by tapping on them, tap on the download button again at the bottom left corner of the screen, and you can see here it says either to download to offline access or download to local. So depending upon that, I'll be just downloading on my local, so that means our SSD card or our storage on phone. Tap to download on local, and momentarily that photo will be downloaded on your phone. So let's go, and over here you can see, guys, the photo has been downloaded over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to download photos from Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.